Have you seen the horns on those cows? I wouldn't want to mess with them, and I don't think I want to cross over that way. Anyway, I'd like to welcome you to this week's episode of the Shimmersha project. It's just a little walk to get some me time, a bit of mindfulness, a bit of forest bathing in this beautiful, beautiful forest. I am going to chill out and cook up a meal and just relax and listen to birdsong and the wind blowing and anything else that comes my way. I hope you enjoy this video. This looks like a good spot. As good a spot as anywhere else in here. So all I've got here is a little chair, a Linux chair. If there was a log out here, I would have probably sat on it without using the chair, but there isn't one, so I will get comfortable as I plan on spending a bit of time here. I've got my Trangia cook set here, and then a little table if I need one for chopping up some of the veg. I've got the gas attachment for the Trangia, so I'm not using liquid fuel, I will be using a bit of gas. I've got my extra kit in here, that's got my knife, got my extra camera batteries and some utensils and any survival bits in case something were to happen. My water and a little bag of food which I'm going to cook up, and my first aid kit is in there, so I hopefully don't need that right now. I will keep it in the bag. got a potato. I've got half an onion and some diced carrots. Ooh, some hot chocolate. Yes. And a stock cube. And as mentioned, some spices. Yum yum. So you might be wondering, what am I making today? I'm actually just making a very simple stew. It's a vegetable stew, and the reason I'm making that is because it's a bit of a chilly day and I love a stew. So I thought, right, let's get that going. That's always lovely to have any time of year. Always carry a bag to dispose of anything that you've cooked or you don't want. Plastic wrappers, bottles, whatever it is, always dispose of it properly. Do not leave any litter at all in the woods. Oh, this is going to be quite a bit of food for me, but I am hungry. Wow. Yes, baby. That'll take a few minutes. In the meanwhile, I can enjoy, kick back, drink some water. It's too early in the day for a nice crafty ale or anything else. I could do with a coffee or hot chocolate, but I think I've only brought hot chocolate. I'll wait till after if I feel like it. But I'm okay, I've got water. Oh yes, it's starting to boil up nicely. I think I'll add the spices now. Although I've got stock in there, you can eat it just the way it is, but I am going to add my spices. I tend not to pour it straight in there because of the steam. The steam makes it stick to the bottle. There you go, that's good. And some of the herbs. Lots of herbs. Can't imagine being anywhere else right now. I'm quite grateful. In fact, quite is not the word. I'm very, very grateful for being able to just nip out in the middle of the day, go to the woods, go to the forest, go by a lake, and just sit there, cook some food, just enjoy some me time, some mindful time, and just enjoy and help my creative juices flow and my thought process flow. When I cook in the woods and I sit out here, or just sit outdoors and cook, I just get good thoughts, good ideas. I think about the world, think about other people, everyone in my life. But it just gives me a bit of space and time to arrange and adjust my ideas and thoughts. So right now I'm specifically thinking about a few people in my life, how they can better themselves, how they can make themselves better, and how they can give a little bit more. And I'm also thinking about my next adventure, what I'd like to do, where I'd like to go, what part of my bucket list have I ticked off, what sections have I not ticked off, have I done parts of them in a larger section, have I not, do I want to finish it? Yeah, my adventures, I am thinking about them, whether they're in a solo session or in a group session. I do like to tick off my bucket list and just work on that. And lastly, I'm also thinking about the food that I'm going to be eating soon. I am hungry and what better view than to be eating by a source of water and surrounded by stunning woods. Yeah, can't ask for more, really. Beautiful, it's ready. Don't know if you can see it. Stew is ready. Very simple. It's just carrots, potatoes, onions, some stock, and some of my mixed spices, and some of my mixed herbs, and whole peppercorns. Yummy. I'm going to try some of that. Wow. Very nice. Quite spicy. Yeah, quite spicy. I think I added quite a bit of my mixed spices in the stew. Very nice. That is good. That's yummy. Quite spicy. The stock is perfect. The vegetables are cooked perfectly. Very nice. I am going to enjoy this meal. It's taken, to be honest, longer than I thought because I had quite a bit of vegetables in there. I am quite hungry. I haven't had breakfast, and it's nearly 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I'm going to enjoy my meal. I hope you've enjoyed this little session, this little video, and I'm going to finish this and then hike out of here another couple of miles and then go home. So have a great weekend, have a great week, and don't forget to subscribe if you've got to the end of the video and you're not a subscriber, and I will see you out and about.